the meeting, so you can go through it and check if you have doubts or query. You can get back to us.
Perfect, perfect.
All right. Vinod, over to you. You can
Yeah,
start the
yes,
meeting.
Vajasvi. Hi, Medat and Khalid, all. So I will start. We have the dental management system. So it's covered all the requirements of you, I hope. So I share my screen. Yeah. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes, fine.
I see it. I
Yeah.
see it. Yes.
This is the dental management calendar. So each and every appointment, if you confirmed, it will show to the admin. Okay. This is the appointment calendar. For example, if like the particular appointment, we are able to see all the details like this. So this is the appointment calendar. So first of all, I show you the list of configurations what we have already done. So this is the appointment menu. So we are able to create appointments, able to see today's appointments, all the details we are able to see here. And next thing is the patient record and patient complaints. These are all the separate loader. So we are able to see all the details. The prescriptions, the medical prescriptions, we are able to see all the details here. And the reports, and mainly the reports is income by doctor, procedure, and the patient by doctor, patient by patient. We have the multiple reports we are able to showcase. And in the configurations, its main thing is the medical procedures, the treatment categories, the teeth chart selection. The teeth chart selections, if I go to the teeth chart selection, I show you. So in the teeth chart selection, you see there is a list of teeth charts. So the universal numbering systems, Palmer method, and ISO FDA number systems. So we have multiple systems we have. So I just using the universal numbering system for our full functionality. And these are all the configurations we have. And dental clinic centers, we are able to create multiple clinic centers, buildings, units, operating rooms. So these are all the configuration. Dentist, you are able to create the multiple dentist specialities, occupations, and these occupations is based on the physicians and medicament dosage details. So it's a complete master data of our dental management system. So I will start the workflow of our dental management system. First, I go to the appointments. Okay. If I go to the appointment, you are able to see all the appointments. So these are all the appointments. This is for the admin purpose. He able to see all the appointments. For example, the black bold color is the particular patient is in treatment in chair. So the state is in chair. The next thing is the green color is the state is in confirmed. So each and everything we have a separate color. So these are all the complete appointments. So consider we start with a new patient registration. Okay. So for example, if we create a patient, first of all there is any call or any way there is one patient called you. So first of all the administrator create a patient entry. So these are all the list of patients, history of patients. So just to create a new patient. Okay. So the patient name is it's like Qadir, like that. I just add the new name, create a Qadir. So the place of birth, the date of birth is just we are able to have the multiple years. We are able to add it like this. So it's a 69. So the February 3rd, like this I create this, and it's a male. So I added all the details. And the blood type, we have the add the blood type, and the positive or negative, that's the marital status, we are able to select the married. And occupation, each and every patient have the separate occupation. The occupation master we have, you are able to create the occupations of the patient. And the primary doctor, this is a list of doctors. I select Mr. Raghunathan is one of the specialized doctor. And referring doctor, who refer the particular patient, I just select one referring doctor. And the nationality, if for example I create a Indian, it's your wish, you are able to create the multiple nationality here. And the photos, for example, you are able to add the photos of each and every patient. So I just select for the modeling. So I just select this thing and save the record. So this is for the administrating purpose, the first level administration. So and we are also able to add the medical alert. The medical alert, for example, the patient is a diabetes patient or whatever it is, you have just add the diabetes patient and the medical history. Why this is thing? Why this added here? This is for the administrator. The same screen for the dentist also. So while he is seeing these details, first it will comes as the diabetes patient. He is able to understand the patient is a diabetes patient. Okay, so we created the patient details. I go back to the appointment. So I just create an appointment. So I create a new appointment here. So the patient name is Kadir. I just create an appointment, add the patient, and the patient status is walk-in or come with appointment. In the call is a come with appointment. The room I provided the room also we are able to select. The appointment start and end time. So I just start the appointment at we are able to select the timer. So the appointment start at 20:42, and we are also able to select the end timer. So for example, so like this I select this, and the dentist is the Mr. Raghunathan is the dentist to using full process. And we are also able to see the consultation service, for example the bone impaction, like that able to see add and save the record. Once you save the record, what happened, the new appointment ID is created, and we are also able to send the SMS to the particular patient. Now the SMS send status is there. After completing this, we confirm the appointment. Once you confirm the appointment, it go to the next stage. So for example, the patient entering into the hall or entering into the particular practice, then if you click the checked in, once you click checked in, then what happened, it the particular person entering into the practice. So you see the check-in time is updated here, and after this process, if I click the in chair, means he entering into the room and he starts the treatment. We are the administrator able to understand the particular patient is on treatment. While I am clicking in chair, for example, if there are 5 minutes or 6 minutes before he coming, how much time, the waiting time. So for example, if we entering into the hall at 7:43, if we wait for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, for example, before clicking this, we are able to see the waiting time. We are able to track how much time taken for each and every patient. So this is in chair. Now we start the process. Now the particular patient entering into the treatment room. So the doctor, the operation dentist, view his details, the patient details. The patient details, he asked his name, he said the Kadir. Once you click this patient detail, the medical alert is shown. So the operation dentist know he is the diabetes patient. So that's why we give this alert. Okay, and after that these are all for the operational dentist. He asked many questions. Are you currently receiving any treatment or not? So these are all the details filled by operation dentist. Just enter the note also. For example, tablets, like that. You just add all the details here. So these are all the medical questionnaire. He asks each and every question and update here and save the record. So and then he just check the appointments. So you see this is the doctor room and waiting time, come with appointment. He is in charge state. So next thing is chart. In the chart, you just the operational dentist click the open chart and see all the details. You see all the teeth here, and in the particular area have some issues, so that's why the patient comes here. So we just select the area, which area he affected. So just select the procedures. Here there is a lot of procedures here. I just select the ceramic only here. So while you select this, each and every treatment have you already have the amount is filled. Okay, it's a master. So each and every have that particular amount and treatment details, all things are already fixed. While I am selecting this procedure, it's automatically created online with the amount. So you see the dentist name, surface, status, and which tooth there is an issue, and all the details are shown here. Now the treatment is start. You click the in progress. First select this and click in progress. The treatment is starting. Once the treatment is completed, then the operational dentist should click the completed button. Now the treatment is completed. After this closing, then two things are happening. The operation details are updated in the database, and the same time the treatment invoice is automatically created in the system. While you close this, you see. Once you close the entry, you see the operational details are updated when this created, what's the exact issue, which teeth there is a problem, and the status is complete, treatment is completed, who is the dentist treated the person, and the surface is like this, and overall cost is 20,000 amount. So, and another thing, you see the invoice also created. While I am clicking this invoice, you are able to see the exact details. The customer is a Kadir, and who is the dentist, and patient name, and all the details are updated here. Just you confirm it. Okay. Once you confirm, then the invoices go to the posting stage. I will be back here. I go back to the patient details. I show some more details. So this is the chart and operations. You are also able to add the images. So for example, the X-ray, teeth X-ray, each and every details you are able to add it here. Just I edit and add a teeth X-ray, for example. Okay, I just add the teeth X-ray. You are also able to upload a file. Okay, for example, I just upload this file and save and close. You multiple images you are able to add it here and save the record. So these are all the items we have, and patient complaints also here. If there is any complaint tell by the patient, we are also able to add it here. So this functionality also available. So I go back to the invoice. Now what happened? The invoice is created, and we are also able to print the invoices. You see the overall the description, quantity, and we are also able to see all the details. This is the invoice print. You are also able to download, print, whatever it is, you are able to do it in the system. Now go back to here, and so next thing is the prescriptions. So each and every treatment is completed, there is a prescriptions, the medical prescriptions. I just select the prescription here. So here the patient ID, the patient is Kadir. I just select the Kadir, and the prescription doctor is Mr. Raghunathan. I just select this, and the appointment. If I select the appointment, is a last appointment. So APT 003, and price list is like this. You are also able to see the appointment details from here. If I click, you are see all the details here. So that's why it will work. And I need to add the medicines. So we have the list of medicines here. You just add the quantities 3 like this, and dosage 2, and dose unit it's 1.5. So you are also able to select all the details here, and duration 2 days, and if you need to add any notes, you are able to add it here. So this way it's a prescription. I need to create a invoice from here. Once I create an invoice, I go back to the that accounting system. You see each and every things are updated here, and I first of all I go to the invoices. I will see the Kadir. You see it's a $90 for the this medicine. All the details are updated here. We just confirm it, and once you confirm, and you are also able to receive the payment from the customer. Just register, click the register payment, and once you click the register payment, bank or cash, it's a cash. I just create a payment. Once you create a payment, what happened? The payment entry is created. All things are accounting entries are created in backend, no problem. So now the payment entry is created and state is updated as a paid. This is for the medical bill, and the treatment bill, we already created the treatment bill. It's a 20,000 bill is there. The same way we are able to create the register payment. In the register payment, there is two options. You also able to give the partial payment. Today, for example, there is a root canal treatment. There is three sittings or four sittings will happen. So the $20,000 they immediately not able to give to by the patient. So in this scenario, the partial payment also our system allowed. 5,000. First you enter the 5,000. For example, you see, enter the $5,000 for the first seating. Okay, the remaining payment will show here. 15,000 will open. So I create a payment. Now what happened is a partial payment. It is generated as a partial payment. Next time the 50,000 15,000 is due. So using this, we are able to create the partial payment entry also. So this is the complete flow of the hostel. Sorry, it's a dental management. So this is, and another thing, each and every details are updated in the dental management menu. You see the appointments are updated in here. So which time and all the details are updated. Okay. And the more thing, I go back to the appointment. You see in the appointment details. So he is in chair. Once the treatment is completed, we get all the details. You see prescription also updated here. And once the treatment is completed, I just click the completed. This is the complete flow of our dental management system.
Okay, I asking about
Yeah.
the voucher, the invoice.
Yeah.
I can send it as a SMS.
And now you are not able to send the SMS. Now currently you are able to send an email. The option is available. I will show you the voucher. Okay, in the accounting, you see in the accounting, all the accountings are shown here like this: customer invoice, and who is the total number of patients, and the list of amount. All the details are shown here. Top 10 customers, and I will show you the invoice. That's the question you ask. I just go to the invoice. You see here there is an option, send and print. Once you click this, it asks the email ID. So I need so in the time of creating the patient, we added this email ID. So I just add my email ID for the testing purpose. So once I add it, then you see you every time you need not type all the details. Just you see it directly sent to the particular patient with attachment. There is an option. Email option is
Okay.
available. Yeah, you are able to
Yeah.
send. Yeah. Any other questions, sir?
Is there any ability to send alarm to the patient through mobile or WhatsApp?
Yeah, we are able to send. We have the separate WhatsApp all-in-one app. If you buy this, then you are also able to send the invoice in the WhatsApp. Okay, this is for the dental management app. This is complete flow of dental management. If you need,
One more
yes,
question
yes,
to
please.
me.
Yeah.
Uh, what about the linking between the patient registration and the chart of account?
Can you please repeat? I'm not able to hear exact what you try to
Now,
tell. Yes, please.
now when we register a new patient, profile for the patient
Hmm.
is linked automatically to chart of accounts as a
Yes.
account of patient,
Yes, yes, yes.
or I need to make a separate entry through the accounting model.
Yes, yes. So after completing the treatment, the invoice is automatically created, and the accounting for each and every customer, there is a separate accounting is maintained.
Mm,
It's already available, sir.
okay.
Yeah.
About the configuration with the chart of account,
Yeah.
it's already configured.
Yes, yes, yes. So we are working on that. Already available, but we configured properly all the accounting. So the sales journal and the payment journal, we are created each and everything properly configured in this app.
Very good. And
Hmm.
also, you allow the administrator to reconfiguration. I can change the account number the in the configuration
Yes.
between the. invoice and the chart of accounts صح؟
Yes, yes, this is available. I show you the configuration. These are all the configuration you have. Once you purchase these apps, all the chart of accounts, taxes, journals, and currencies, whatever it is, you are able to do it.
مستر احمد انت واخد بالك هم اساسا configured الموديول مع الشارت في اوف اكاونت
يعني once
مع
we
امكانيه تغير كمان يعني you can change in the configuration between account number and the transaction.
يعني now for the new patient when I make a profile on the in this sheet in this screen, I need to add account number for the chart of accounts or already reflected automatically in
هو
the chart of
already
accounts.
configured already
اه
configured كويس. هم عاملين له configuration اساس البرنامج بتاع الاودو عشان تبقى عارف
مم.
الشارت اوف اكاونت والحاجات دي هم شاطرين فيها جدا. فهو
تمام.
بيدولك configured.
مم.
الا لو انت كراجل محاسب مدير مالي عايز تغير في حركات معينه بترمي في تشارت اوف اكاونت في مكان معين.
ايوه. مم. تمام.
انما هي already configured.
تمام ممتاز. طب if
طب
I need to know the profit of the patient.
Dear, he asking about the profit of the patient, how he can share.
Yeah, in the dental management, each and everything have their reports. Okay, for example, income by doctor, how much profit he earned. Okay, I just select the income by doctor report. So in the start date from the November 1st to today, how much profit he earned, we are able to print the report. Okay, once I click this, there is a PDF copy. So Mr. Raghunathan only doctor have the 3 patient. This is the total amount he earned. This is one of the report and other report also here. For example, I just go through the reports, income by procedure. So income by doctor, income patient by procedure. I just select the income by procedure. You see from November 1st to today's date. Okay, how much you earn. Just print the report. So each and every report we have. So for this treatment, only ceramic 2, the number of patients is 2, the total is 40,000 or 40,000. So there,
Okay,
yes.
what about if I need a general report for this one, not for exactly one
Okay.
or one doctor. I need
Ah,
for the dental generally.
okay.
From where I can get?
Yeah, in the accounting format, we have the in the reporting, we have the profit and loss report, balance sheet report. There is a lot of reports are there. So we have the invoice analysis report. You need the general ledger report, correct?
Okay,
And
yes.
if I click the general ledger report, we are able to see the start date to end date. We just provide the parameter. While we provide the print, we are able to see all the details here. So this is the general ledger report. You see the Qadir and what are all the moves, how the balance, all the details are updated here. This is the general ledger report. So these are all the medical report, the medicines, what are all the medicines and what are all the treatment. This is the complete details you are able to see in the general ledger report.
Okay, but this one only are available for printing or no option to see it as a web browser and search in
Yes, I
the
understand. Now currently we are able to do it. So this is PDF format. If you need, we are also able to change the format. You are able to do it, no problem. So first
okay.
what you try to ask, first you see in browser. If you need, then you download. Correct?
Yeah, this is the one.
Yes, yes, it's available. We are able to do it in the backend things. We are able to do it in settings. We are able to do it. Yeah.
Ah, from the setting, you can allow us to see it in
Yes,
the web browser.
yes, yes.
And if I need it, I will make a print
Yeah,
or I will see it in a PDF.
exactly, exactly. The option is available. No problem. So all the reports are available. You see, balance sheet, general ledger, trial balance, whatever. These are complete accounting structure. In the dashboard, we are designing this dashboard. Okay. So how many total paid is there, and you see the top 10 customers. These are all we customized all the details here. You see the top customers, the previous month, the last month, how much, who are all the customers came, and how much treatment cost, and this month we are also able to see all the details here.
Okay, this is the one because I asked it because open the reporting.
Yeah. What?
In the reporting, I can customize another report and save.
Like this dashboard, correct?
Not like this dashboard. يعني if I need to make a report, monthly report for the patients.
Yes, we have the only the limitations of the reports. We already developed, already showcased that income by procedure wise, how much you earn, and the doctor wise report. It's a predefined reports. That's it. If you need to export into Excel, whatever it is, you are able to do it in your own. Yeah,
Okay.
in your own you are able to do it. So in the invoice print or invoice export, you are also able to do it all in the Excel sheets. You see,
Okay, I have a technical question
yeah.
about what if I have a patient and this patient I will make a operation for him,
Okay.
and in this operation I will use some tools.
Okay.
Okay, how I will manage the profit after this one? Because for this operation I will use some tools. These tools it's have a price. I will pay. I will take and I will pay. There is a configuration for this
Yes,
part.
yes, is exactly we have. I will show you. So in the sales part, there is a list of products. Okay, I will show you the list of products. So in the products, whatever you need, you create the multiple tools here. Okay. So for example, if you need the tool, just a creator, you are also able to create the category. Okay, this is the tool is the storable product, and there is a category list of categories. In the categories, you add the category as a tools. Okay, once you
Okay.
done it, and you are also able to save the cost price and sales price and save the record. Okay, now the tool is ready. In the time of invoice, you just add the tool name and proceed further. That's it. If you select the product, then the sales price are automatically updated in the invoice. You are able to do it, no
Okay.
problem. So the treatment cost is separated. The treatment cost is 20,000, and the tools cost. If you have in the time of root canal treatment, you are using the lot of things like small type of needles, correct? And there is a lot of tools you using in the time of RCT.
Yes, this is the question. Yani if let's say I will make operation A, and this operation A I use seven product: powder, white powder, red powder, green powder. From white powder I use 100 gram
Okay.
plus 50 gram from product B and 30 from product C. So I need to, once I will give the operation name, put it as a details for this patient, automatically he will go to my inventory, take these quantities and get it less discussed from the inventory, and also at the same time moving in the price by the product I will give it.
Okay. Now currently what you expect, I understand. So for this particular operation, the list of tools means you are using some medicaments like that. Correct? It should be
Okay.
automatically came. Once you utilize, the stock should be reduced. Correct? Hello?
طيب أستاذ أحمد، شوف أنت كده ليك أسئلة تانية ولا؟
Back to chart of dental. Already we are a clinic for a child.
Yeah.
specialist في child. There is ability to
Yeah, we are able to,
see
yeah, we
chart.
are able to do it. I will show you. For the child, we have the separate chart method. Okay, I just go to the dental management. In the dental management, in the time of configuration, we have the teeth chart selection. There is Palmer method. Okay, this is for the babies. If you
Okay.
use this Palmer method, the child teeth are shown. Okay, I will show you, no problem. I just save the record and I show you. I just go back to one patient. I just okay, no problem. I just go to the chart, open chart. So these are all the baby teeth, correct?
Mm.
So this is the Palmer method. We have this option also available. Hello?
This baby for baby down.
Yes, this is for the baby. The Palmer method we are using.
Mm.
But now I have only one option to choose from the beginning.
Yes.
It's uh, adult or child.
Yeah. There is only one option. So in the configuration part, the teeth chart selection, it's for the Palmer method or the universal numbering systems. Okay. So why if the small child came, you are able to change this.
Okay.
Okay. If the adult came, you are also able to change the chart each and every time.
Okay.
What about if the dental working with the both of them? Some of them is child, some of them is
Hello.
what if the dental have some of patient is child and some of patient is not a child.
Yes. So, based on the patient, we need to change the chart. Okay. So, for adult, we are using the universal numbering system. For child, we are using the Palmer method. So, each and every time we need to configure properly.
Ah,
Once you configure it, it will work out in the time of procedures. Yeah.
that's mean in each patient I need to go to the configuration and change it to child or adult.
Exactly. It's your wish. If before that starting the procedure, before the starting the appointment, you just change it and use the purpose. Yeah.
We cannot make it from inside of the patient, make like uh,
Now,
select
yes,
select field.
I understand, but what happened? Then it's based on the age. It will be changed, correct? There is an option. If you adult, then this chart selection should appear. Correct? What you try to ask.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
that's a very interesting requirement. But currently, the functionality it's not available. If you need, we are also able to develop for you. No problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's mean under your hand. You can make it.
Yes. It's a great requirement you give me. So in the time of selecting the patient, it's a adult or child. If child, that chart will be shown. Correct? I understand. Yeah.
Okay,
Now this application, that functionality is not available. Every time we need to change in the configuration.
good
Yeah.
good. Okay, مستر أحمد في أسئلة تاني شوف لو حابب يعني.
Okay. Behind the scene of invoice, sales invoice, what is going on? If there is any effect on the inventory, customer account, sales, is there is any entry take place automatically, or I have to make a separate journal? Yes.
Yeah. Now we are not creating any say quotations or sales orders. We are not created here. Just we create an invoice for the each and every treatment and each and every medical prescriptions. That's it.
Mm.
So that's why I show you there's no entries is created. Just we create a accounting invoice. That's it.
Mm.
So for this thing, the sales details are not needed, not necessary. I think so, because we need not create the sales quotation for the patients. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why we are bypassed from the dental treatment to invoice.
Mm.
That's it.
About the stock
Yeah.
inventory, if that materials if go down of uh, limit, I can get like alert for this one.
Reorder point.
Now currently it's not available. There is a reorder stock, correct? You need to reorder stock. If the alert is low, then automatically create a purchase order. We are able to do it, no problem.
Yeah, this is the one which I asked about. Yani, if
Mm.
the white
Mm.
powder, it's go less than 2 kilo, I need something to alert me that be careful. The white powder after the operation of today, it's go less than the limit which you configure to get alert about.
Yeah, now currently the alert is not came, but in the stock level we are able to reduce each and every operation. The stock level you need to check in the inventory part. So there is a inventory. Okay, in the inventory, how much stock you have currently. We are also able to see all the stock structure here. So in the inventory report, there is an inventory report. In the inventory report, you are also able to see all the details. So we have these are all the medicines we have. So now currently in on hand stock we are able to see here. Okay. So that is only, but the stock is on zero in on hand. The alerts are not came now, but you are able to see all the stock levels here.
Okay.
Yeah, and another thing,
And
after completing the treatment, in now our current system, after completing the treatment, the stock levels are reduced. That functionality is not available. Okay, we need to reduce manually. Okay, because
Of
we have just have the appointment, treatment, and invoicing. That's it. So if you need, we are also able to create the purchase items. Here there is a purchase module also here. You are also able to create the purchase orders and receive the goods from your vendor and send the request for quotation to your vendor and generate the purchase order, receive the goods, stocking. All the functionalities are available. You are able to use these things.
I have to use it manually. Yeah?
What?
Manual.
Yes, yes, you need to do it manual, or we have the delivery order. Okay, in the delivery order, what happened? Once you use each and every material, every operation, you need to create manual delivery orders. Once you deliver it, then what happened? The stock will be automatically reduced. That is one option is available. Else,
See,
yes,
my dear, one note
yes,
here,
please.
because we are at the beginning, and we don't want to cost ourselves with more people stuff. Okay, so if there is ability to make the transaction through scan, okay, as I don't want to make it manual. For example, the reception lady can, when they receive the goods purchasing, with the scan, it will automatically reflect the journal entry
Okay.
and affect the inventory, affect the vendor account. You got my point?
Yes, yes, I got your point. Yeah.
Uh, Also for the patient, for the sales invoice, I want to link it with the inventory with fixed formula. Say for example, patient number one, he will make this job. This job take how many quantity of material A, hours used for the job, overheads. I want this fixed formula for each job. Once this job done, it will be already reflected and charge the cost. You know, any variances at the end of the period, okay, I can adjust it manually, no problem for me. But because I don't want to pay cost for the employment for the too many people,
Yeah, yeah.
because we are start small business.
Okay. That automation thing, what you try to ask, I understand, but now currently that functionality is not available. Okay. In the normal, what happened? We have the ERP. If you need the dental management, you separately use. For the inventory purpose, we are able to provide you the separate application for you for the management for inventory. Okay, just to purchase the goods, receive the stock, and after that, each and every operation, you just create one sales order. For after the completing the operation, just create a sales order. Then what are all the items you used for this treatment? Okay, just to complete it and deliver it. Once you deliver means it's using for the operation. Okay, once you deliver it, then stock will be reduced. So it's a separate application we are able to provide you, or else you are also able to the CM application. For example, you just create a sales. Okay, in the sales order you are able to add all the materials. What are all the tools you are using here? Just add all the products and select the patient and complete the full process. Once you complete this, then what happen? It goes to the delivery method. Once you deliver means the stock will be reduced. That functionality is available, no problem. But you need to create a sales order every time. Yeah, after completing each and every treatment, you need to create a order. Each and every treatment, or else the first morning session, how many products you are using. So just enter all the details and confirm it and they deliver it. Then stock will be reduced automatically. So the purchases already show you. The purchase material, just select the vendor, select the request for quotation and create the purchase order. Then what happens? You receive the goods. Stock is updated. Then the inventory valuation, the stock journal, all things are updated automatically. No problem. The same thing, the sales order. The stock will be reduced and we create a delivery order, delivery journal. We are create a separate journal for you. We are able to do it. It's a separately, but you need to create each and every treatment. You need to create a purchase sales order. Is available. That's why we are provided these modules. So the sales module, the dental management, and dental management we currently see for the appointment and treatment and invoice process. So the purchase and inventory for this purpose, sales, purchase and inventory. Okay.
What about the accounting reports?
What?
Accounting reports, financial reports.
Accounting
For
financial
balance sheet,
reports,
for
correct?
profit and loss, income statement, cash flow,
Yeah, so you
budget.
see the profit and loss, the balance sheet, the day book. So you have the multiple reports you have. So each and every report you are able to utilize each and every transactions, day-to-day transactions. You are able to see all the reports in accounting. All the yes,
Can I see cash flow statement, please?
yes, please.
Cash flow statement, can I see, please?
Cash flow statement. Okay.
Yeah.
So now currently it's we need to configure it. Okay, so each and everything it's not configured yet. So if you configure it, it will be properly updated and showcased here. Okay,
That's okay.
it's available here, but we need to configure properly each and everything,
No problem.
because we are only concentrate on the dental management and complete flow. If you need, it's already available, no problem. We need to configure it and then it will be reflect here. Okay.
If we have other than dental, we can use this system, or we have to use other one.
Uh,
If we have eyes, and,
Um, please repeat, sir.
if we have other something other than dental business,
Yes.
okay.
In the other than the dental business, we have. I show you. Um, so we have this much of apps. Okay. So for CRM, so the lead generation, I show you the CRM. So in the CRM, you are able to manage your leads, opportunities, and your sales team. You are able to use this CRM. Okay. So in the CRM, once you get the project, it automatically create the sales order. Then what happened, and the products you whatever you added, all things are updated, and once you deliver, then the invoice is created. So we are connected with CRM, sales, inventory, and invoice. So all the modules we are connected. This is CRM module. And we have the sales. You know very well about the sales management. CRM sales are interconnected with each other from CRM to sales, and the inventory module, purchase module, and project management. You have the project management also here. Project. So here the project management. If you have any project management, you are able to manage it. How many tasks are there? What are all the time sheets provided by your employee? And all the functionalities are available in the project. So this is project, and we are also point of sale. So if you have any medicals, you are also used the point of sale. Okay, in the point of sale I will show you. This is the point of sale. Just resume it. It's time for loading. Okay, so in this point of sale, you are able to do it each and every day sales. Okay, that thing is also available. The promotions, you are also able to give the promotions, coupons, and all the detail. This is for the hotels. So that's why we are developing this.
Excuse me, but I think
Yes.
this is misunderstanding. What I was meaning for other than dental, for physical therapy, and we have a physical therapy clinic inside our clinic. Is this already the system fit our needs when we have physical therapy?
So other than that, in the dental management, this is the complete.
And other kind of medical, yeah, what I mean, other kind of
Oh yes,
medical, like
other
physical
kind of medicals
therapy.
we have. Not only for the dental, we have the eye
Mm,
management. Okay, the same like
mm,
dental management, the appointment creation, the
mm.
eye issues. Just the operation chart is like a eye retina size, and we are able to select which portion you have the issue. Just to select this, and entire clinic management, the laboratory management we have, the veterinary doctors have the veterinary application we have. So the lot of medical apps we have.
But it's a separate
Yeah.
one. Yes, okay.
So what I think, other than the dental management, I show you whatever. These are all the apps we have. That's why I showcase you. Okay.
Yes, okay.
These are all the very beneficiary, the field service, the email marketing, SMS marketing. These are also in beneficiary. So you need to know if you have some after some time, if you need any apps like this, you are just to come to our site, because we explain, and we are good experience in that each and every app. It's very easy for you to explain. Okay, and HR management, payroll management, and fleet management. You ask some guys, is the fleet management. We have this app, the fleet management,
Yeah.
and
Yes,
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 yes.
so we have this application also. Yeah.
Okay. Technically, we go back dental management.
Yes.
I have the reception employee and I have the doctors.
Okay.
And I have the GM and I have the accountant manager. I have many part of employees.
Okay.
صح?
Okay.
I need to each doctor to see the information of patients of the other doctors.
Now
يعني you show me in the beginning you creating the this one you creating the patient صح
yes.
this one it will be by the reception
Yeah, this application is for the
o-
administrator only.
for
Administrator or whatever it is, the
this.
receptions also they are able to use this application.
Okay, what about the doctor?
The doctor have the separate rights. Okay, for example, I am now create the user access rights for administrator. If you create the
Ah, this
yeah.
I will create another user for the doctor, and I will give him the permission to see something, and he will, and I can hide the other things.
Yes, yes, you are able to do it. The own appointment only he is able to see. Like that, we are able to restrict. But now,
Yani that means
yeah,
if I make a user like Doctor 1,
okay,
user Doctor 2, user Doctor 3, and I will make a relation between patient A with Doctor 1.
okay.
I don't want Doctor 2, when he log in by his username and password, to see Doctor 1 what he have. And the report of only I will allow him to see his reports.
Yes, yes. Now, the type of reports, the type of things are not available. This is only for the administrators. Yeah.
Okay, but if we need this one, you can make
Yes,
it.
yes, yes. We are ready to make for you. We are ready. We are ready
Okay.
to develop. This is for the model system. This is only the model system. Okay. Just for the model, what we have developed, just to showcase you. If you need any type of requirement, we are ready to develop for you.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
We are ready. Yeah.
Okay.
But I have one question. If we have our chart for dental, we can upload it system.
Mm, the chart of accounts.
Already,
Chart of accounts.
no, chart of dental for child or for adult. If we have already our format,
Yeah,
our chart.
yeah, yeah. We are able to do it, but it's a customizable one. So what sir
Yes,
asked before,
we can
yeah,
upload
yeah,
all
we are
one.
able to do it. If you give the chart, we are adding here, no problem. We are able to do it. We are ready to customize whatever you need, your requirement. We have the very big development team. Okay, so we have the separate dedicated resource for you, and we develop whatever you need. Okay,
ماشي تمام. Okay, thank
yeah.
you.
هو ده مثلا انا كنت بكلمه فيه من الاول خالص. That's already configured. The chart of account is configured, but also he allow me to make a reconfiguration. ممكن الشارت اوف اكاونت عندك الارقام بتاعتها مختلفه، مسميات مختلفه، فانت تقدر تعمل ريكونفيجريشن للموديول، بحيث انك تربط الحركات على حسابات تانية على حسب بقى الكاستمايزيشن اللي عندك.
تمام.
طب يا مدحت برضك يا ريت تساله، هل صحيح يا استاذ احمد يعني انتوا موضوع الانشورنس عندكم، هل يعني برضك ده من المفترض ان احنا يحطوا كاستمايز برضك في الحسبان تحسبا
اه
لما
طبعا.
بعد كده يا
مم.
استاذ احمد؟
علشان
اه ما
عشان
انت
الحساب.
برضك
طبعا.
اه يبقى طب انت ايه برضك يا مدحت كده شوف يعني بالنسبه لعمليه الكستمايز فيما يخص القصه دي، تمام؟ لان طبعا عشان برضك الاستاذ احمد يبقى اوير بيها ويدي وجهه النظر كامله من خلال طبعا ايه بعض المتطلبات اللي ممكن تكون محتاجينها، لان انت مدحت كويس ان انت اثرت حته برضك ان في اكتر من دكتور، لان هو عندهم نظام عيادات، وكل دكتور اصلا هيكون ليه المرضى بتوعه اللي هو بمعنى اصح ما فيش دكتور تاني يطلع على فيما يخص
يطلع
طبعا
عليه.
ايه
تمام.
يطلع عليهم، لان كل كمان دكتور هيكون طبعا المرضى بيبقى كل واحد ليه حساب مختلف، تمام؟ ممكن
خليني
جاي
اقول
حد
له
حسب التامين، جاي حد
خليني
حسب التأمين. صح يا استاذ احمد ولا ايه
بالظبط.
الوضع؟ فاحنا برضك عايزين نظام برضك ايه، ان انا مثلا بالنسبه لتحديد بما يخص طبعا اللاين بتاع الدكتور نفسه، ما حدش يكون دكتور تاني يطلع على الهيستوري بتاعه او يطلع على الاسعار بتاعته.
خليني اتكلم معاه اقول له كده. my
وبرضك
dear
سير موضوع الانشورنس ده برضه
طيب
عشان ده مهم ليهم،
my
اللي هو
dear they
Yeah.
they have two questions.
Yes, please.
It's important for them.
Yes, please.
The first one about the insurance system, because the dental and the medical, the clinic
Yeah.
generally, part of work it's connecting with the insurance company.
Okay.
For example, you are working in a company, and this company make a contract with the insurance. So by this contract, you go and take a discount for this dental because you are working and you have a contract with this insurance.
Yes.
So there is part accounting work between the dental and the insurance
Yes,
company.
yes, yes. The option is available. I just go to the dental management. So in the configuration, we have the insurance company. Okay.
Very
In
good.
the insurance company, what we have, we just create these insurances. Okay. And this insurance, once you create this insurance, then what happened? In the time of creating the invoice, it belongs to the this insurance.
Very
Yeah.
good.
Sure.
This is the first. Second, it's too important for not for only for the our dental. It's for all the dental. All of them have many rooms,
Yes.
and each rooms it's connecting with one doctor.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, yani for example, room one in the morning working with Dr. Hussein.
Okay.
Room one afternoon it's working with Dr. Ibrahim. So each one of the doctors have a username and password.
Okay.
The most important what? The most important is once he go by his username and password, it's not allowing him to see only the patients of which have a connection with that doctor.
Yes, yes, yes. I understand in the time of login, the own appointments only shown by him. Correct?
Yeah, this is the
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
This is the
Yeah.
one.
So
Each doctor
yeah.
need to know what he all the patients, what the data he have today, and only he will see in the calendar, his calendar. He will see only the patient which have a relation with him.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That option we need to develop, sir. Okay.
So you can make
Yes,
it.
we are able to make it. So whatever you need, we are able to make. Okay, we have the list of requirements. What you need to try to tell. So the list of requirements, we are able to do it. We are able to customize whatever you need.
Yeah, this is the one. They
Yes,
need to make it like rooms,
yes.
and each rooms connecting with the doctor. And the doctor, I will connect the doctor with the room, and I will connect him with
Yes,
patients.
yes, yes. We are able to do it.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. I will allow the administrator to change the connection between the patients and the doctor because sometime doctor have an invocation, sometime patient asking to transfer for another doctor. I will allow the administrator to transfer, but at least I need to connect the patient with the doctor.
Yeah.
So when he will come, he know that his date like this, and he will go for the doctor at this time, at a schedule like this. This is the most important also for
Yes,
me.
yes, yes. I understand. So if the particular doctor log in, then the own appointments only he is able to see. Correct? His own appointments and the own
Yes,
details, whatever his name he is the operational dentist. His name only shown, whatever it is, their own patient only shown. His own earnings only he need to show. Correct? His own earnings, and so these own details only he is able to see. So other persons not able to see his details. Correct? What you try to tell.
yes, yeah. This
Yeah,
is the one. This is
yeah.
the one.
We are able to do it, and I'm also my team is good experience in the medical clinic departments. Okay, we are able to
Very
do
good.
it, and the dental practices, the referral practices, and we are also able to track each and everything. We are able to do it. Whatever wish you need, we are able to develop. Okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
Only I need to be sure again. Sorry,
Yeah.
but I need to be sure again that once I will go inside the patient, and I will make an operation, and I will save. In this operation, I will set that I will use these tools by this amount, these tools by this quantity. After save, automatically it will deduct from the inventory, صح?
Yes, yes, yes. I understand. So, what happened? The invoice should be created from whatever the tools, and once you complete, then what happens? Stock should be reduced. We are able to do it, no problem. We are create a separate automatic delivery order, and we reduce the stock. No problem. I will make it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because
You.
Mr. Ahmad asked about the inventory, how we will increase. I will increase normally by BO, by quotation and BO, and I will increase the quantity in the inventory. But in the operation, which we will make it, I need to customize that.
Yeah,
This operation, once I will save, it will be automatically deducted quantities from these materials from the inventory.
exactly. So once you complete the treatment, we will pre-configured for this treatment. These are all the materials for this treatment. Okay, for example.
This is the
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
This
we
is
are
the one.
able to do it, no problem. Once you complete the treatment,
Very
the stock will automatically reduced. We are able to recreate a delivery
okay.
order and stock will reduce. We are able to do it, no
Okay.
problem.
اوكي مستر احمد، انت فهمتني طبعا. انا الكوانتيتي تتخص اوتوماتيك لما اسيف الاوبريشن اللي هتحصل للعميل، للمريض، اذا كان هتعمل حشو، ان كان خلع، ان كنت هتعمل، ده بيستهلك من عندك انت جوه الروم بتاعه الدكتور المعينه. الماتيريال دي بتترمي بعد كده، فالمفروض بمجرد ما بسيف ان انا عملت لفلان حشو، اوتوماتيك المخزن بتاعك ينقص كميات من مادة الحشو، كميات معينة من آلة الخلع، كميات معينة من بين بتاع الحفر، اللي هي الحاجات الماتيريال دي اللي لازم هنغذي بيها السيستم من الأول. تمام؟
استاذ احمد انت معانا ولا؟
هو طلع ولا ايه؟
لا موجود، بس تقريبا مش عارف
سامع
في.
حضرتك، سامع حضرتك، سامع حضرتك.
تمام.
معانا.
انا كنت اللي اقصده، لان انت اهتميت بان الكوانتيتي هو السيستم عموما بتزود الكوانتيتي جوه حركه كوتيشن مع بي او.
طيب.
يعني كوتيشن بيجي لك عرض السعر، انت بتقبله، بتعمل البارشيز اوردر، بتوصلك الحاجه وانس انت ابروف البي او واتكريتت فاتوره، المفروض الانفنتوري بتاعك من غير ما تخش تزود اي حاجه بتلاقي الكميه. فانا عايز زي ما بعمل البي او والكميات في الانفنتوري بتزيد، عايز كمان، ده اللي انا طلبته منه، ان انا كمان وانا بعمل جوه الصفحه بتاعه البيشنت عملت له عمليه معينه يديني كاستمايز منها، ان عمليه حشو الضرس، العقل مثلا تهلك كام جرام من الماده دي مع كذا مع كذا مع كذا، فلما اجي عند البيشنت واقول العقل، اوتوماتيك الحاجات اللي انا حاططها انها مع حشو ضرس العقل تروح تتخصم من الانفنتوري.
تمام.
ده الطلب اللي انا طلبته منه، وطلبت منه ان يبقى في حاجه زي اليرت على ماده من الحاجات اللي
عشان
احنا
لو نقصت ولا حاجه يقدر يديك
بس
الارم
تيجي لك
عليها.
على طول نوتيفيكيشن، خد بالك، اطلبها منه ان تجيلنا بالايميل، خد بالك ان الماده الفلانيه نقصت عن اللي محدده.
تمام.
فانت ليه تاني ليك تخيل
بقول لك
حاجه
بقول لك يا مدحت برضو، يعني انا برضك يعني همثل لك حاجه، لان انا برضك نظام الدانتل والاستاذ احمد معانا برضك ايه ان هو يتابعني في اللي انا اقصده. ان دلوقتي برضك في اللي قاعده على الريسبشن، لان دايما اللي قاعده على الريسبشن دي بتكون مطلعه على كل حاجه، ويمكن الدكتوره حابه انها تكون في سكيور بالنسبه للموضوع، لان انت عارف اللي قاعد على الريسبشن ده شايف الدنيا كلها، وفي نفس الوقت ممكن سبحان الله اليوم موجود عندي بكره موجود عند غيري، فانت عارف دي بتعتبر داتا، وكل نظام كلينيك بيبقى ليه داتا ليه سكيور معين بالنسبه للداتا، مش عايز يخرج لحد تاني، واخد بالك؟ فاللي عايز اقصده هنا، انا دلوقتي البرايس ليست انا بالنسبه اللي قاعده في الريسبشن هي اللي هتبتدي تعمل عروض الاسعار والكلام ده كله. احنا
تمام.
مش عايزين الكوست يكون ظاهر عندها، اولا ما تكونش عارفه اي حاجه، اي معلومه عن معلومات الكوست، ده يبقى ظاهر بس عند الايه، عند الادمن اللي هو مثلا الاستاذ احمد او الدكتوره. ثانيا يبقى عندها البرايس ليست، مثلا هي لما بتيجي بتختار اكتر من حاجه، يعني مثلا دلوقتي لو في نظام شركات متعاقده مع جهات تامينيه وانا بعمل لهم، يبقى ليهم مثلا انا مجرد ان انا بختار مثلا نفترض الشركه الفلانيه، بينزل ليست، بينزل البرايس ليست بتاعتها كامله، يعني انا ما
بص
بتحكمش في حاجه، واخد
بص
بالك يا استاذ؟
بص يا
صح
خالد،
يا استاذ احمد؟
تمام.
بص يا
الا لما
خالد،
بيكون في الاستاذ احمد بيدي بريميشن معين لحاجه معينه، فيبعت لها او يفتح لها شيء
انت
معين، يعني هي
بص
ما تقدرش تتحكم في
انت
السعر، يعني انت فاهم.
اللي انت قلته دلوقتي ده لخص الموضوع كله. الادمنستريتور ده هو البرميشن بتبقى عامله زي الهرم، ليها رئيس، تحت منه نواب، تحت منه موظفين.
بالظبط كده.
الرئيس بيدي البرميشن، بيدي الصلاحيات على حسب نوع الوظيفه. فانت بتدي مثلا، لو قلنا صاحب العياده بيدي فول كنترول لمستر احمد، مستر احمد بيخش بيقول فلان له ايه وفلان ملوش ايه، وفلان
امم
يشوف ما يشوفش ايه. دي بتبقى معاها، بيبقى معانا هم اونلاين علشان نفهم منهم، لان انت المفروض هناخد منهم تريننج.
اه
فمنهم التريننج هم بيورونا، بنقول لهم احنا اديله صلاحيات يعمل كذا ما يعملش كذا. يعني I will
تمام
give permission for one employee to configure price list. For example, he will teach us how we can configure this one. And I will give, I will create another user, doctor. Okay. And when he will teach us how I will give him a permission only to see how I will configure his user to see only his patient. فالموضوع كله بيجي زي الهرم. الفول بيرميشن اللي هو اللي احنا شايفينه دلوقتي ده الادمنستريتور اللي هو على ايدك
بالعربي
اليمين
كويس.
فوق. الادمنستريتور ده بيبقى فول كنترول. تحت منه هو بيكريت يوزر اسمه خالد. خالد ده من صلاحياته انه يشوف كده وكده وكده كده وكده، يقدر يعمل ده وما يقدرش يعمل ده، لغايه ما توصل انك يوزر فيو اونلي، يقدر يفتح يشوف بس. عندك مثلا عندك عينت مراقب مستر احمد جاب تحت ايده مراقب حسابات، ولكن مش عايزه يعمل كرييشن لاي حاجه. he can make
تمام
a user as a read only. He can open, he can see the report, he can see everything, but he cannot make a edit or create for it. فدي اللي انت فيه ده اسهل وابسط حاجه.
ايوه 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 بس
اللي انا كنت بطلبه منه دي حاجات لازم هيعمل لها ريكونفج، يعني هيبني لنا حاجات معينه بحيث ان يوصل لمستر احمد تحت ايده حاجه مش هيفكر يطلع براها خالص، هو شغله كله تحت ايده بالماوس.
تمام
فدي لعبتنا بقى بعد كده، يعني ان احنا هبقى هنعمل ميتنج براهم هم، نشوف الطلبات اللي احنا عايزين نعملها لهم كليست. احنا محتاجين كده 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 كده، يوم مكريتينها ونقول ورينا اهو الاوبشن اهو، تك 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 تك، ورينا هنا كمان تك 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 تك، خلاص ناخد الموديول بتاعهم واللعبه بعد كده مع بسام.
فهمت عليك. هو لان هو عامه كده كده يعني مستقبلا ان شاء الله هم ناويين الجماعه انهم يعني يكون اكتر من عياده مختلفه او تخصصيه في حاجات تانية، في مواضيع
حلو.
تانية، يعني مثلا جلديه، في مثلا نفترض ايا كان بقى التخصصات اللي هتظهر معاهم، يعني واخد بالك. فانا بقول لك عشان يبقى هو مش موضوع بس مختص بالاسنان، لا هو الاسنان بتعتبر كمرحله مثلا مبدئيه، بعد كده في تخصصات متعدده هتبتدي تظهر ايه معاها. فهمت عليا
طيب
ازاي؟
تمام خلاص. طب مبدئيا احنا كده عايزين منهم اي اسئله تاني؟
بس بالنسبه للستوك ترانسفير ترانزاكشن،
الترانسفير ترانزاكشن فروم من ايه لايه؟
from main stock to sub stock.
my dear, you heard
is gone.
Hello.
Mr.
Yes,
Venus.
yes, yes. I'm here. Yeah.
You listen to question of Mr. Ahmed. He is speaking about transferring the أحمد معلش أحمد من ال A.
Stock transfer between inventories.
Yes, yes, yes.
I have a
Yeah,
main
it's
inventory.
available. Internal transfer is available. One location to another location, we are able to transfer the products from one to that.
It's okay.
دي برضه موجودة مستر أحمد. دي تقدر
تمام.
تعمل مالتي وير هاوس،
Yes.
يعني انت تقدر تعمل مالتي انفنتوري and you can transfer materials from this one to this
Yeah.
one. يعني حتى لو انت عامل عيادتين ثلاثة وحاطط ستوك هنا ومحتاج الستوك هنا، وباين عندك ان موجود لكن في العيادة A، يعني you have a stock in dental A and you need or inventory A and you need some of this one to inventory B, so you can transfer.
Yeah.
Correct,
Yeah,
Venus, صح؟
exactly. We are able to transfer goods from one location to another location. If there is in same warehouse, there is a multiple locations are there, correct? So in this scenario, we are able to do it, no problem. Our application allows to transfer goods from one place to another, no problem. Yeah.
Good. طيب
Right.
Uh,
Hi, Madad. Just coming in. So I hope you have understand the existing flow and the feature and functionality of our dental management module. So just wanted to check if you have any further question. You can email me because I have another meeting at after like 15 minutes.
No problem, خلاص. I will discuss with Mr. Ahmed.
Sure.
Thank you a lot for your time
Yeah.
and for the meeting. I see that's a very good meeting. And if you can, Mr. Venus,
Sure.
if you can share
Video.
the recording
Yeah.
meeting,
Sure. Sure. Yeah.
so
I will
and I
share.
will discuss and I will discuss with Mr. Ahmed because Mr. Ahmed is more technical more
Oh.
than me about the work of the dental,
Okay. Fine.
and I will get from him
Yeah.
the technical
Yeah.
question, and I will share it with you.
Sure, sure. And in the meantime, if you have the customization requirements more, please list out all the requirements and send to Ojasvi, and we are
Sure,
able to do it whatever you need. Okay?
sure,
Sure, sure,
sure,
sure.
sure,
Yeah.
sure. Okay, so I will wait for your record, the video
Sure, sure,
record
sure.
link, so I can download it,
Yeah.
and I will discuss with Mr. Ahmed and Mr. Khalid about
Sure,
it.
sure, 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 Medad. Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
Thank
for
you.
you.
your offer, Saidi.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so
Yeah,
much for your
yeah.
time,
Thank
guys.
you, Ojasvi. Bye.
Thank
I'll
you.
send you
Okay,
mail. Okay.
okay.
Call
Thank
me.
you.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Have a lovely
Bye.
day, guys. Thank you,
Thank
Vinod.
Thank you.
you.
Thank you, Ojasvi. Thank you all. Bye.